Hi everyone, my name's Amrik. I'm a Customer Success Manager with Ardoq, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use dashboard filters in Ardoq. So we'll see we have a dashboard here where we have our applications and in a pie chart based upon the Gartner time rating. So we'll see what percentage of applications are in eliminate versus migrate versus tolerate versus invest and when they're not set. And this is for our full application portfolio. But it might be that based upon a certain criteria, we'd like to filter this down and see a subset of our applications based upon some criteria that we've chosen. And so in this case, we'll see we have hosting type here. This has been preset, so we can now actually narrow this down. And if we want to just see our on-premise applications, then we can press that. And then we'll see the exact same data, but filtered for just our on-premise applications. And we'll now see that 75% of those are in the migrate category, whilst 19% are in eliminate. And so to show you how to do this, I'm going to pick another dashboard where we don't have a filter yet. You'll see here there's no filter applied to this one, just showing the total number of live applications. If I then edit this dashboard, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a filter based upon the life cycle phase of our applications. So top right, edit, and then you'll see we can filter here. So I'm going to create a dashboard filter, just call it life cycle phase. And then you have to link a certain chart. So I'm just going to link this singular dashboard widget now, although you can link multiple if you like. And then you have to choose which column that you would like to link. And so in this case, based upon this pre-built report, I'm going to link life cycle phase, save, and then press done. And now you'll see we've linked this chart to this filter. So now I can choose based upon the life cycle phase. And if I choose live, then we'll see we have 98 applications which are in the live cycle phase. So we've, with a few simple steps, added in a filter to give our end stakeholders much more flexibility in how they narrow down what they like to see and answer the questions that they're looking to see in a dashboard really simply and quickly. So I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your customer success manager or to support. And if you'd like to see more video tutorials, check out our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye.